Okay.
I'm holding this in.
Okay, that's from Brendan.
Okay.
Say, wave. Thank you, Brendan. Weirdos. Okay.
Go, Mason. Wyatt. Mason, go ahead. Brush your head. Wyatt.
Just open it. Just open it.
Just open it.
An Xbox! I knew it! I knew it! I'm so proud! Wow! I'm gonna explode!
Uh-oh. There he goes.
5 seconds.
That
and
was
you're
interesting.
Oh, wow.
You're reflecting in 5 seconds. What's this?
Oh, show it to
What are we
Chase.
going to name our account? Thingy.
I think
Go
they're
Xbox Live.
Yeah, Xbox.
It's the membership for a year. Wyatt. Hey, Wyatt. Stand up and look at what's in it. Chasey, will you show him the picture on the front?
I guessed it, Mason.
Show Mason.
I go. An Xbox 360.
Let's connect.
Do you know what Connect is, Why?
Connect?
Mm-hmm.
I definitely. Yeah, I know what Connect is.
Is it where you don't have a controller and you move like that?
No.
OMG!
Alright, I'm gonna take this into my room now.
No, you're not.
Go.
No, you're not.
Chasey, you can set it up out here, babe, if you guys want to try it out tonight.
Mason,
It's an Xbox.
Mason, grab my dinner and put it on the
What?
bar.
Mom,
What?
It's an Xbox.
oh, Chase. Xbox also has
It's an Xbox.
Yeah, I know.
Let's play each other.
It goes online, Why?
Huh?
It goes online.
Yeah, it can also do Minecraft.
Okay, say bye.
There's a night.
Bye,
Bye,
Brendan,
Brendan.
thank
Thank
you.
you so much. I'm
Wait,
having a
one
hard
second.
time right now.
One second. I want to be in the last picture.
Okay, hurry.
You guys will do it?
You guys are monkeys.
Hey, Mom, Mason, remember.